For millennia, we humans have gazed at the stars, pondered our place in the universe, and yearned to understand the fundamental laws that govern the cosmos. Now, a new frontier of knowledge is unfolding before our very eyes. This frontier is not in the distant reaches of space, but here on Earth, in the realm of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a figment of science fiction. It is rapidly becoming a part of our daily lives. From the algorithms that recommend our next favorite song to the self-driving cars navigating our streets, AI is changing the world as we know it. At the forefront of this revolution are generative AI models capable of creating new content, from text and images to music and code. Among these groundbreaking models, two stand out: GPT-4 and DALL-E. These AI systems are pushing the boundaries of what machines can do, blurring the lines between human and artificial creativity. GPT-4, with its mastery of language, can spin tales, write poems, and even generate computer code. GPT-4, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, is a language model developed by OpenAI. It is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, enabling it to understand and generate human-like text with remarkable fluency and coherence. This deep learning process allows GPT-4 to perform a wide range of language-based tasks. It can translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. DALL-E, also developed by OpenAI, takes a different approach to creation. Named after the surrealist artist Salvador Dali and Pixar's Wall-E, DALL-E excels at generating images from text descriptions. Show DALL-E a text prompt like an astronaut riding a horse on the moon, and it will generate a series of images depicting just that: an astronaut, a horse, and the lunar surface, all combined in a way that is both whimsical and strangely plausible. The potential applications of GPT-4 and DALL-E are as vast as the cosmos itself. In the realm of education, GPT-4 can serve as a personalized tutor, adapting to each student's learning style and pace. It can provide instant feedback on essays, explain complex concepts in simple terms, and even generate practice problems on demand. GPT-4 has the potential to democratize education, making knowledge and learning more accessible to people around the globe. DALL-E, with its ability to create custom visuals, can revolutionize fields like advertising, design, and entertainment. Imagine being able to generate marketing materials tailored to specific demographics, or create unique characters and environments for video games with just a few text prompts. The worlds of art and design are no longer bound by the limitations of traditional tools. With DALL-E, anyone can become an artist, exploring their creativity in ways never before imagined. Yet, as with any transformative technology, the rise of generative AI casts long shadows of ethical concerns. One of the most pressing issues is the potential for misinformation and the spread of synthetic propaganda. With AI capable of generating realistic and persuasive text and images, the line between fact and fiction could become increasingly blurred. Imagine a world where fake news articles are churned out by the thousands, each one tailored to exploit specific biases and sow discord among the populace. Another concern is the potential for bias in AI-generated content. Because these models are trained on massive datasets of human-generated data, they can inadvertently inherit and amplify existing biases related to race, gender, religion, and other sensitive attributes. This raises concerns about the perpetuation of harmful stereotypes and the potential for discrimination in AI-powered systems. Imagine an AI system designed to assist with hiring decisions but inadvertently favoring certain demographics over others based on biased data it was trained on. The question of copyright is another ethical quagmire. If an AI generates a piece of art or music, who owns the rights to that creation? Is it the AI developer, the user who provided the prompt, or does the AI itself hold any claim to authorship? These are uncharted legal waters, and the answers will have profound implications for the future of creative industries. Imagine a scenario where an AI generates a hit song that tops the charts, leading to disputes over royalties and ownership rights. Furthermore, the rise of AI raises concerns about job displacement. As AI systems become more capable, they could potentially automate tasks currently performed by human workers in fields ranging from customer service to data analysis. While some argue that AI will create new jobs in its wake, others fear that the transition will be disruptive, and leave many people behind. Imagine a future where truck drivers are replaced by self-driving vehicles or where customer service representatives are replaced by AI-powered chatbots. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of generative AI are too great to ignore. Imagine a world where AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy, or where AI-powered systems help us combat climate change by optimizing energy consumption and reducing waste. The key lies in approaching this new frontier with a sense of responsibility and a commitment to ethical development and deployment. We must establish clear guidelines for the use of AI, ensuring transparency, accountability, and fairness in its application. Education and public discourse are crucial. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we are actively shaping with every line of code we write, every dataset we use to train these models, and every decision we make about how to integrate AI into our lives. We have a responsibility to ensure that AI serves humanity, not the other way around. Imagine a future where AI is used to empower individuals, foster creativity, and promote understanding across cultures. A future where AI helps us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from poverty and disease to climate change and inequality. The rise of artificial intelligence is a defining moment in human history. It is a moment fraught with both peril and promise, a moment that demands our attention, our careful consideration, and our collective wisdom. The choices we make today will determine the course of our future, a future where humans and machines coexist, collaborate, and perhaps even create together in ways we can only begin to imagine. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, let us embrace the possibilities with open minds and a sense of shared responsibility. Let us strive to create an intelligent future, one where artificial intelligence augments our abilities, expands our horizons, and helps us build a better world for ourselves and generations to come.